Gravity, a force of attraction. Why don't we and all other things float away? Why does anything never fall up? Only down.
Gravity!
Yes, it is gravity. The earth and all objects that have mass have gravity. The greater the mass, the stronger the gravity. It is with its gravity that the earth pulls all objects towards itself. But what exactly is gravity? Gravity, also known as gravitational force, is a non-contact force. From the planets in the solar system to the clouds in the sky, it is gravity that keeps things in place. The Earth also attracts the Moon with its gravity. We know that Earth has more mass than the Moon. Then why does the Moon not fall onto the Earth? Think and try to answer. We can understand this with an activity. You will need one big potato about the size of a tennis ball, one small onion about the size of a table tennis ball, a strong thread 1 to 1.5 meters long, an empty thread reel, and a long needle.
हम ready हैं.
Thread the needle and pass the thread through the empty reel. Now securely tie the potato to one end and the onion to another. Keep the onion on the upper side and the potato should hang down. Hold the reel and start rotating it gently like this. The onion will soon start moving in circles around the potato. Here the onion represents the moon and the potato represents the earth. The thread is gravity. Play with this toy. Increase and decrease the speed. Observe what is happening. Now think. What will happen if we stop rotating the onion? And what will happen if we cut the thread while rotating? As soon as we stop rotating the reel, the onion starts falling towards the potato. When the thread is cut, the onion flies out straight in the direction it was moving and falls far away from the potato. Why does this happen? Does it have any relation with the moon's motion, its speed, and the gravitational force between the moon and Earth? From these experiments, we can conclude, to stay in its orbit around the Earth, the moon must keep moving at a particular speed. There must be a pulling force between the Earth and the Moon. That is the gravitational force. Now think, what will happen if the Moon's speed increases or decreases? This is exactly what happens between the Earth and Sun and all the other planets in our solar system. All the planets orbit the Sun because the Sun's strong gravitational force pulls them inward, while their forward motion carries them forward. These two forces balance, keeping the planets in their orbits. But is the gravitational force the same between the Sun and all the planets? This is explained by the universal law of gravitation. It states, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a gravitational force. This force depends on the masses of the objects and the distance between them. Formula to calculate the gravitational force is F is equal to G multiplied by capital M multiplied by small m divided by small d square. So the gravitational force depends on the mass of the objects and the distance between the bodies. Now observe carefully. If everything is rolling down because of gravity, then why is this double cone rolling up?